Do the dramatic intro video that people do.
Right now we're doing this.
Look straight, look straight but down. Look straight but down. Look straight ahead. Straight ahead but down.
Two.
Alright, close your mouth. Now turn your head the other way, keep it the same. Okay, but do it smoothly now. You're like, what the fuck?
Come on.
I'm sorry.
Yes, Gaga, you look so good. Oh my god, yes. Gaga, you look beautiful. You look so beautiful.
The damn queen, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Maddie.
And we're the Engel sisters.
Thanks for coming back to our channel. I hated that. Okay.
We just want to say we
Alright.
just want to say we really appreciate all the love and support we got from the first video.
We're really grateful just because that was our first video and we were just trying things out.
And you guys seem to like it.
So continue watching because we will keep a little bit minor. I hate this so much.
So in this video today, I will be doing Maddie's makeup and solely Maddie's makeup. It's all about Maddie in this video.
This is kind of like a going out look, would you say?
Oh, Maddie, this is a going out
Okay.
look.
I don't think you'd wear this on an everyday basis.
So if you want to see how Maddie got this, look, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Slow. Alright, if you want to see how we got this look,
Keep
wait, 1, 2,
3. Keep on watching. No, I hated that one more time. Keep on watching.
okay, that's when you're supposed to do it with me.
Keep on watching.
Like, let's try to
Keep on watching.
Hold on.
Keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? You said you care for me,
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Something for y'all to cut up to, you know?
Wait, I had a deer yesterday. I didn't tell you. A dead ass had a deer.
Put your phone out, gotta hit them angles. Put your phone out, stop.
Tell me again.
Sometimes wanna be your lover, sometimes wanna be your friend, sometimes wanna hug, hold hands, slow dance.
Okay, so Maddie right now mixes these two foundations. I'm gonna try to look professional right now though. Oh, there's hair in that. That's cute. When I do my makeup, I like to use a brush. I think this makes it easier because I can really get the hairs on her face laid flat. Because you always want to go in a downward motion to get the hairs down on your face. And it'll make, that's how you get like that flawless foundation.
That silky smooth
Okay.
look.
You
The
already
look you're
know.
going for.
You already know. You always want to put a little bit on your neck because I feel like everybody knows this, but your neck never matches your face. And I have no voice right now.
I don't either. Emma has no voice.
No, what? You have a voice?
Emma, I am diagnosed with strep.
Diagnosed.
Diagnosed.
Like you act like you had some
like a disease.
terminal disease.
This is the second time I had strep in 3 weeks. So who wants to come and be around me?
And I'm letting her spit in my face right
Yeah,
now.
I know.
I have no voice, so we may have to put subtitles on this video. Because it sounds like I'm speaking a different language. Your forehead's peeling.
I wish I was going somewhere. Does this mean I have to shower?
This doesn't mean I have to shower.
Darn.
Really gotta get it in this skin. I was like... You want to make sure to always get in your hairline because we want people to think that this is natural. Your skin looks this good all the time. Because even your scalp, your bald scalp has to look this good too. So next, I'm going to do Maddie's concealer using this the Tarte Shape Tape. Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand, like we used in the last video.
Bring it on.
So I like to do it in little dabbing motions and bring it pretty high on the bridge of the nose.
I love how I look like this.
could see our legs right now. I'm straddling Maddie.
Mommy's gonna walk in.
What's up, girl?
A few moments later.
Where are you sitting at, close?
Because it's like, we need to be this close to the
What did I tell you about my bench?
Cut this whole part off.
And if you think you have too much on, because it looks like I put a little too much on, instead of using the top, like the tip, where most of the concealer is going to go, use the middle to blend it out because it's gonna absorb more of the concealer. Like right here, I don't want it to go that low, so I'll take a clean part of the sponge and dab. Now I'm going to use the excess from this eye on her lid, because then I use this as a primer for eyeshadow. It's one beautiful blended side.
It is.
One beautiful chocolate man. What movie go? White Chicks.
I was gonna say that.
Where's my big fluffy brush that you took from me?
No, I don't have it, I don't think.
What the hell? How? Can I use yours? For the setting powder I use, I've been using the NYX HD finishing powder in Banana.
I love that, but it's called Banana.
Because it's yellow tinted.
I know, I love it.
I'll go back to blending this eye. So this looks a little crazy right now, but we are blended out. And what I like to do is go back over it with the side that I just used for the foundation, just to blend it a little bit better. Hey, my brush.
What?
Where did this come from?
No way.
It was just sitting here. And now I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on Maddie's forehead. And I do all the places where I put concealer separately because I don't like when the concealer sits for too long, because I feel like it doesn't blend out as easy.
Oh, that's a good point.
Ow! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Maddie, something's wrong. I'm being so serious.
Something's wrong.
Now I'm going to bronze Maddie's face with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil.
Whatever. Whatever.
So now I'm gonna do Maddie's contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in light to medium. I just put it right in the cheekbones. And the lighter the hand, the better the blend.
You smell like Annie Ann's pretzels.
She was still here. And when we come back, I will start in on her eyeshadow. Maddie just did her brows. They look fire. So the way I'm going to film how I do Maddie's eyeshadow today, it's just gonna be Maddie's face, like zoomed up real nice and close on her eyelids. No matter what look I'm doing, I always like to use the bronzer, the Too Faced bronzer, as my transition shade. For the first shade, I will be going in with this vibrant pink. It's called Electric from the BH Weekend Festival palette. I'm putting that right where I put the Too Faced bronzer. And now I will be using the shade Dippy. We're going to pack this shade into the corner, and you want to keep it on the outer 2/3. And it's okay if you get a little messy over here because we gonna clean it up. And I'm going to wing it out a little bit. Then going into my Beat Up Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, I will be using the shade Venetian Red with a smaller brush. Then I will be focusing this more into the crease rather than blending it up. Now with a smaller brush, I will be going in with the shade Red Ochre. And I'm going to put that strictly into the crease. Now using my concealer and my eyebrow brush, so I just cut Maddie's eyes out 3/4 of the way over. So now I'll be going back in with my Modern Renaissance palette using the shade Vermeer, and I'll be wetting this brush with my Mario Rescue spray. And for the outer corner, I will be going in with the shade Hipster. Now using Stilla's liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma, I'm going to define Maddie's cut crease with the glitter. Okay. So I just put a piece of tape on Maddie's eye to make sure we get the eyeliner right where we want it and it's clean. So now I'm going to be taking the red ochre and putting it on Maddie's bottom lash line.
Fierce. Oh wait. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go put my lashes on and we'll be right back with the final look.
And we're back. I put Maddie's lashes on and I gave her a little bit of a highlight.
Put some lips on.
We just put some lips on. What lips did we use? Hold on.
Pause.
Okay. So for Maddie's lips, we use the Soft Lilac in the liquid lipstick by Anastasia. And then to top it, I use the e.l.f. Clear Gloss. Clear Gloss.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this look. Let's make up a name for it.
The pink passionate
Flamingo.
prima donna.
Flamingo.
No, it's P. This is the pink passionate prima donna. Pink passionate parakeet.
Is it a bird?
Pink passionate pimple.
Pink passionate popsicle.
Pink passionate.
Come on. Pink passionate polish. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe.
Thanks for watching and tune in next time.
Bye guys.
You did it last time.
Okay, fine, you do it again. Okay, go do it. No, that's fine. I just didn't know you were gonna do it.
And tune in next time to the Engel Sisters. Peace out.
With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out.